The showcase continues on a cloudy 31 degrees outside of the San Fernando City, Pampanga. And of course, ito po ang inyong Sinag Liga Asya Junior World Showcase. Live na live po tayo dito sa BREN GUIAO Convention Center in San Fernando City, Pampanga. This is our last game of eliminations sa ating SLA Junior World Showcase. Of course, papakita natin sa inyo ang LASTSHOT Dubai, Ronnie Paraiso Jr. He has been a scorer and also a hustler. Pagdating naman sa GILAS Montreal, Canada is 15 under. The defensive specialist Joaquin Trotterbooks tried to prove that defense will be the best offense. And our game at hand, ladies and gentlemen, it's going to be the LASTSHOT Dubai versus GILAS Montreal 15 and under. Magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat mula dito sa Pampanga at sa ibang parte ng mundo. Ako po ang lingkod, Ryan Paro. Kasama muli si Coach Ernest Rayala. Good morning, Coach.
Yeah, good morning, Sir Rai. Very exciting game. Thank you for watching, everyone. Like what you said, last finals game neto ng eliminations.
Last elimination.
Yeah, last eliminations game ng 15 under. It's gonna be very exciting.
And of course, wag niyo pong kakalimutan na i-like, share, and subscribe sa ating mga social media platforms. Mamaya ipapakita natin sa graphic. That's it. Sinag Liga Asya at Facebook and also Instagram. Live tayo sa Facebook at gayon din sa YouTube and TikTok. Live tayo sa YouTube at Sinag Liga TV. And kung titignan natin itong team standings ngayon, masasabi natin napaka-importante. Wait and see kayo, Coach.
Yeah, personally, Sir Rai, this is very important itong game na to kasi if itong Canada East matalo, we will be the one advancing sa finals. Pero yeah, it's gonna be very important for LASTSHOT Dubai kasi the morale is not there na eh. Let's just see kung alam mo yun, they still have what it takes to win the game.
Oo. At makikita natin dito mga players nagwa-warm up na this game will be one for the books. Dito sa 15 under sa ating tournament format, wala po ditong semifinals. Diretso na yan sa finals. Bukas dito rin sa BREN GUIAO Convention Center. Pasadaan natin ang tournament format, Coach.
Yeah, so sa mga curious kung ano yung tournament format, sa preliminary round, 6 teams. Teams will get to play 4 games and top 2 teams will advance to the finals. Ganun lang po kadali. If ever man na may tie, it will be resolved by between 2 teams, winner over the other, and among 3 teams, point differential na naman. So, after nun, finals na, just 1 game, tapos na. Sobrang bilis lang, Sir Ray.
At both teams ito parehong up-tempo. Pero ang titignan natin dito on both teams, yung depensa. Kung sino yung mas magandang depensa, yun talagang nananalo sa mga close game, Coach, di ba?
Yeah, that's gonna be the struggle. Every time na third quarter, fourth quarter, who will be more patient dun sa defensive stops nila and who will take more shots dun sa transition fast break.
Coming up next, we have LASTSHOT Dubai versus GILAS Montreal. Ipasa na natin sa ating venue announcer, Kylom Ladlad.
Here at the BREN GUIAO Convention Center in San Fernando City, Pampanga. This is Sinag Liga Asya Junior World Showcase 15 under semifinals. Presented by Sinag Liga Asya, Governor Dennis Delta Pineda and Roy's Hotel and Casino. Live on Sinag Liga Asya official FB page and YouTube channel at Sinag Liga TV. Powered by Converge. Our second match is the AC Basketball Canada for the LASTSHOT Dubai versus GILAS Montreal, Canada East. And now let's meet our starters. First, for the LASTSHOT Dubai. Starting at guard number 21, Mig Francia. Starting at forward number 7, Ronnie Paraiso. Also at guard number 23, Raven Casañas. Also at forward number 4, Carla Chica. At center number 8, Kurt Rivera. Head coach of the LASTSHOT Dubai is Jem Rigor. His assistants are John Solano, Game Rigor, Julius Romulo, and Lance Casañas. Team manager is Mr. Rocky Rigor, and team owner is Mr. Jem Rigor. And now the starting 5 for the GILAS Montreal, Canada East. Starting at forward number 20, Chase Suwan. At center number 24, Jackson Bustamante. Starting at guard number 30, Liam Bundalian. Also at guard number 17, Angelos Adriano. At forward number 12, Joaquin Brooks. Head coach of the GILAS Montreal, Canada East is Glenn Zuan. Assisted by Pike Bundalian. The referees for the ball game are Michael Galutera, Kurt Susuga, and John Las Sigues.
Alright, pasadaan natin ating first 5 for both teams. For LASTSHOT Dubai, we have Francia, Casañas, La Chica, Paraiso, and Rivera. Ayan, nakita natin. And of course, ang ating starting 5 para sa GILAS Montreal, we have Suwan, Bustamante, Bundalian, Adriano, at si Joaquin Trotter Brooks. Our referees for this boycott, John Lisigas, Michael Galotera, and Brett Suga. Let's play on for this last elimination, coach.
Again, personally, Sir Rai, I'm rooting. No offense sa side ng Canada, but I'm really rooting for LASTSHOT Dubai here.
Kumbaga, ano ba yung pamoso dito, coach? Your mind is in LASTSHOT Dubai, but your heart is in Canada.
Yes,
Yun ang literal na mind games. First field goal there for Canada. Here's the drive. Block shot. And an interception for Canada. Here comes Bundalian on the fast break. Bundalian will score.
Yeah, Bundalian, Sir Rai, very amazing kid. Actually, talagang in-impress niya ako during our game against them. Very talented. Yan, sobrang talinong bata.
Side step by Bundalian. Beautiful. 6-0 start there right away. They jumped the gun para sa GILAS Montreal. On the left wing. Interception. Oh, look at this. 8 straight points for GILAS Montreal. Jack Rabbit start.
Yeah, and that's their specialty. Someone will do his best to defend yung half court. Pero pagpasok mo sa side nyo, they will immediately double. So half court trap yung specialty nila. Etong LASTSHOT Dubai, for them to win, they need to make a way. And they need to find a way to stop itong half court trap na itong Canada.
And speaking of that, coach, sa Manila, 8 tao lang sila dito sa LASTSHOT Dubai. 3-point shot won't work. So far, Zilch para sa LASTSHOT Dubai. Nakaagaw muli dito si Bundalian. Drop pass inside. The shot will work for Adriano.
Yeah, smart play coming from Adriano. Going downhill, breaking the defense. Isang hesi lang leading to an easy floater. Great finish.
10-0 start. Bundalian once again. Fast break finish. Yes, sir. 12-0. And so far, LASTSHOT Dubai started on a wrong foot. Still Zilch for them. Tingnan natin ang ating huling replay as we see Bundalian's exploit to the basket. We have a timeout, and that we will have a short break for more SLA Junior World Showcase.
Sa unang subo hanggang huli, parang kisa aking pisngi. Kain love, love talaga. Kahit di sabihin, feel na love kami. Kain love, love talaga.
Back to live action dito po sa BREN Convention Center. Of course, Converge, FiberX, doble na, dinoble pa, official wireless provider dito sa Sinag Liga Asya Junior World Showcase. Muli ako po si Ryan para kasama si Coach Ernest Ray Alaw. At mamaya, we will join for our courtside reporter Jasmine. Here it comes. Francia brings it up. Inside pass, telegraph, intercepted. Bustamante, the runner, good.
Yeah, great stop. Seeing na ang baba and ang bagal ng pasa doon going to the interior netong LASTSHOT Dubai, recognizing it and going downhill for an easy floater.
14-0. Can they do it 16-0? Why not? Wow, GILAS Montreal still blanking their opponent. Naghahanap pa rin ng unang puntos dito. Oy, happy 10th birthday sa eldest daughter ni Coach Jerome Alonzo. Happy birthday to Ava Alonzo from Okotoks, Alberta, Canada. Daddy loves you. So maraming tayong nanonood ng mga Canadian Filipino Americans. At speaking of Canada, nanonood din ngayon isang kasama ko sa broadcasting ng ngayon Canadian citizen Gary Villanueva from Nova Scotia, Canada. Good morning sa inyo dyan. Or good evening na pala sa inyo dyan. Dahil 12 hours difference yan, Coach Ray. 9 seconds on the shot clock. LASTSHOT Dubai still looking for their very first field goal. Here it comes. Francia won't work. And the ball goes back to the Canada East. Bustamante on the left wing. Left side, three-pointer, nothing. Wala pa rin kay Ansabay. And here's LASTSHOT Dubai the one. 3-on-2 situation. Casañas for the breakout game last time out. Draws a foul.
Yes, we can see Canada making sure to take advantage dito sa onting lineup netong LASTSHOT Dubai. They're not giving up on the play. Talagang kahit offense sila, they're ganging up on the rebound, takbuhan ng takbuhan. And that's not gonna be very beneficial dito sa side ng LASTSHOT Dubai. Kasi onti lang sila, the fatigue will be the factor for this game for them.
That's right. At unang free throw ay pumasok para kay Casañas. That's a Raven Casañas. Well, one more free throw to go. 1 point so far for LASTSHOT Dubai. Ball out of bounds. Babalik ang bola sa GILAS Montreal, Canada East. All right, time remaining 4 minutes and 29. First quarter action. Mumula po tayo dito sa Kapitolyo ng Pampanga, ang San Fernando BREN Convention Center. 3-point bomb, no explosion. Nakuha muli ng Black. Ansabay, too much muscle behind it. Put back is good. That is Samuang with a basket.
Yeah, this guy Samoang, he may not look like it, but he's very hardworking, loves to, alam mo yun, siya yung siya yung parang bruiser ng team ng Canada. He's very tough, very brave kid. Great job on getting this guy dito sa team ng East Canada.
That's right. In the meantime, a missed shot. Here's LASTSHOT Dubai with a possession. Only 1 point, but they haven't scored any field goal in this quarter. And remember, we're still playing 8-minute quarters. Oh, what a pass. What a pass. Bustamante scoring.
Yeah, great double dun sa lethal zone sa court, sa sideline ng half court. And great pass.
At nakascore doon si Casañas. Very first field goal. The last time out, nung kinover natin, Casañas scored 12 points with 3 3-point shots. 3:13 in the first quarter. Bundalyan to Lyson. Bundalyan. Pati offensive boards, kumbaga halos lahat ng departamento talagang unti-unti dinodomina ng Canada East.
Yeah, because they have the utility to do it, Sir Ray. Ang tatangkad ng players, agile, quick, scorers. Tapos may mga players sila like this guy, Samoang, si Brooks na alam mo yun, they're gonna do their job dun sa pag-defend, sa pagkuha ng rebound, sa pagiging that guy who will not score, he will focus on rebounding, defending. So complete sila sa lineup.
All right, let's talk about the okay, mamaya i-ano natin yan. Discuss natin. Samantala, Ansabay misfires. And we have fast break opportunity. Casañas. Ayaw pa rin. Pero siyang unang nakabuslo ng field goal. Counter fast break here. Ansabay says, let's slow down. Nakababa na sa depensa ng LASTSHOT Dubai with 2:35 to go, first quarter. This is the last game that we're gonna play 8 minutes. Mamaya sa semifinals, full 10 minutes na tayo. Shot will go. Shot will work, rather. Basket by Lyson. 2:20 to go, first quarter. LASTSHOT Dubai, only 1 field goal so far. Dadagdagan pa kaya? Yes! 3-point bomb. Paraiso. 22-6.
Yeah, for them to get this win, everyone should step up. Kasi sanay na tayo. This guy, Paraiso, itong si Rivera, itong si...
Casañas.
Yeah, Casañas. They're the main guys eh. Kailangan mag-step up na talaga itong lahat. Great dish.
And that's a nice assist. Pascual scoring the basket. And natatawag dito ng timeout ang GILAS Montreal Canada East. Their lead is chopped down to 14, 22-8 as we see this beautiful fast break drive of the quarter. Lakas drive of the quarter brought to you by CDO Food Sphere. Food that brings you all. Let's take a short break, shall we? We'll be right back.
J Project Clothing Shop, premium fabric. We customized, quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, premium fabric. We customized, quality printing. Makers of quality uniform.
Back to live action, of course. J Project Clothing Shop, our official outfitter ng SLA Junior World Showcase. Maraming salamat po. And of course, let's talk about the head coach of LASTSHOT Dubai, Jem Rigor. We have a report from Jasmine Salada. Jasmine.
According to head coach Jem Rigor of Team LASTSHOT Dubai, he expects his players to put up a fight. They didn't expect to get ahead of yesterday's game against defending champions UBL, but the boys came in strong and played hard. Today, he wants them to play at their best, but above all, enjoy the experience. Win or lose, he's proud of the team and what they have accomplished here today. Back to you, Ryan and Coach Hernandez.
Thank you, Jas. Thank you, Jas. My takeaway here is that play your best and enjoy the experience. Kung baka ito, pagbabalik sila sa UAE, baon-baon nila itong core experience na to, Coach, diba?
Yeah, that's the reason kung ba't natin binuo to Sir Rai, na besides dun sa pakikipag-compete with other countries, with the Philippines, yung yung enjoyment ng mga bata, yung love for the game nila for basketball, para hanggang sa pagtanda nila, if ever man na they will make it as their career, magtutuloy-tuloy dahil dito sa experience na nakuha nila dito sa atin.
Yeah, lagi ko sinasabi, basketball or sports is life. In the meantime, Malansala, mamaya closing ko yan. Okay, Casañas, fast break. Can he finish? Yes, sir. The lead is down to 12, 22-10. Time remaining is 46 ticks first quarter. Ito na si Manansala, siya nagdadala para sa Canada East. Lopez play inside. Trap. 10 on the shot clock. And a 3-second violation. Good call by referee John Lesigos.
Yeah, you can see LASTSHOT Dubai waking up. Finally waking up. Making the right stops. Talagang they really are working hard dun sa mga defensive schemes nila, leading to an easy score.
Let's see this lakas break. This is lakas break. Mukhang hindi tama yung graphics na yun. Alright, take two tayo, take two. Casañas misfires. Out of bounds play. Shot clock at 13 seconds. Yun kanina, yung tinatawag na lakas defense. Kinuyog eh.
Yeah.
10 on the shot clock. Let's see what will the offensive rhythm here for Lakas shot by Sedania from top of the key. Shot clock at 3 seconds. They need to put it up now. Paraiso lays it up. It's out. Tough block for Paraiso. Pababa na, niluwa pa, coach. 6 seconds. Here it comes. Manansala down to 2. He needs to put it up. Block. Good block. Casañas rejecting the shot at the end of the first quarter. And that ends our first period. Ang ating score 10-22. We take a look at this first quarter highlights. Look at that. Supalpal. And then the fast break. Yun sana yung lakas fast break eh. Yun ang na-miss ni break. Ayun yung pumasok ang si number 30 para kay Bundalyan. And we have this another fast break for Canada. Bustamante scoring that basket. And these are some of the first quarter highlights. Ating score 22-10. GILAS Montreal up by 12.
si Lancer Gan from Tigas Kapampangan. Tutok lang kayo sa Sinag Liga Asya, Junior World Showcase.
Head coach of GILAS Montreal, Glenn Suan, has told his team to be efficient on the court. Now with a 12-point lead, coach expects the team to keep their strong defensive approach, but also lessen the turnovers to achieve faster shooting and scoring. Let's see if they can maintain a strong play. Back to you, Ryan and Coach Ernest.
Thank you so much, Jasmine Salada, our courtside reporter for today's game. Again, nagmumula po kami dito sa BREN Convention Center. Take a look at the coach of the Canada East. Yan ay si Glenn Suan. Na talagang pati si Coach Ray nag-golpe di gulat sa start ng Canada as we start the second quarter. Inside play, Bustamante, double team. From the corner, three-point bomb, no explosion. Defensive rebound, block pa rin. Oh, good drop pass. Suwan inside. Suwan will score.
Yeah, good pass leading to an easy score dito kay Suwan.
24-10. Again, we are playing 8-minute quarters. 10 on the shot clock. Here it comes, three-point shot.
Wow!
That's the second triple V for Raven Casanyas.
Yeah, again, I'm a big fan of this guy. I told his mom yesterday na sobrang galing po ng anak nyo kasi big boy moves eh. That side step leading to an easy score dun sa 3 points. Great job.
At saka may pulso talaga sa nakamay na tumira.
Yeah, but still, this guy, Liam, such an offensive threat despite of his age. Ang dami niya nang kayang gawin.
Correct. Baga advance ang kanyang basketball
Yeah.
IQ. Here's Bundalyan with a drop pass. Here's Trotter Brooks, the defensive specialist. Suwan. Bustamante launches short. Suwan gets it right back, puts it up and in, and a foul. Yun talaga ang trabaho ni Suwan na kumana ng rebounds, be an intimidating factor, and now a three-point play, coach.
Yes, actually, that's his game. Yeah, let's see.
This lakas move of the quarter offensive rebound and a putback by Suwan, watching by Cable Link and Holdings Corporation. Tuloy mo yung sinabi mo, coach.
Yeah, he doesn't easily give up on the play. Yan talaga yung trabaho niya. Get those second chance points. Talagang defend well. He's tough.
The biggest lead so far for Canada East is 17 now. Our profile player, Paraiso, scoring with a layup. Lead is chopped down to 13, 28-15. Time remaining, 6 minutes and 14 in the second quarter. Nagtitimon dito si Adriano. He goes right. Adriano drives. There is a foul. Give it up. The foul will be against Sedanya. Let's see this lakas drive the quarter. Drive by Paraiso, brought to you by CDO, Food Spear Incorporated. Food that brings you home. 10 on the shot clock. Trotter Brooks wide open. Tindi ng pasahan, coach.
Yeah, kasing unang-una, yung mga wings talaga nila, they're such an offensive threat. These athletes, itong LASTSHOT Dubai, they will tend to go there. So, sa sobrang galing nito ni Liam, itong mga guards, they are smart. Na once na mag-commit yung LASTSHOT Dubai ng hard closeout, someone will cut. Doon nila pinapasa. Smart play.
30-15. Gilas Montreal up by 15. Bundalyan once again. Pass to Suwan on the right wing. Oh, Suwan has tremendously improved his shot making.
Yeah, great play. I can see may staggered screen sila going to the corner para dito kay Liam, who is a very efficient shooter. Pero pag wala, he will just drive middle, then look for his open guys.
Speaking of open guys, Paraiso driving, but there's contact against Gilas Canada East. And we have a foul. 32-15. Now, this is the biggest lead for Canada East, 17 points, as we see Paraiso. That's Ronnie Paraiso Jr. One more free throw will be awarded. Nagminti sa kanya unang free throw. Keep in mind, mga kasinag, in the afternoon broadcast of this, it will be all semifinals for the 17 under and 19 under. Take note of that. Paraiso. On the outside, three-pointer. Casanyas missed. Fast break for the Canadians. Bundalyan, the drop pass. At nasa likod ko bumabati ang buting commissioner ng UBL, United Basketball League, Coach Alan Salangsang, a fine gentleman, but also a strict coach.
Yes, very close friend, very close family friend namin yan, si Tito Alan. I'm happy na sumali sila, di ba? Nagkaroon sila ng opportunity na makapaglaro against these international teams and players. Dala-dala yung UBL.
Exactly. At siyempre, dun sa kanilang broadcast, batiin ko si Uncle doon nanonood. Oh, Sino! Spectacular!
Again, this guy, Sir Rai, Raven, recognizing na itong si Liam going dun sa right. So he switched hands. Pero again, itong Liam, ang ganda ng matchup natin dito, itong guard-to-guard matchup between this guy, Raven, and itong si Liam.
Casanyas and Bundalyan showing showtime here. Let's take a look first. This lakas moment of the quarter. The finger roll by Bundalyan. Brought you by Converge. Doble na, dinoble pa. And I wanna see later on, mamaya, napakita natin sa highlight, yung dip sido ni Casanyas. Mamaya yan. Bundalyan now for the bonus free throw. 4.5 minutes remaining. This is now the biggest lead. Still the biggest lead, 34-17. You know, itong si Casanyas, kagaya ng sinabi mo, talagang for both ends. Look at this! He reject that shot!
Very smart player, just waiting for the offensive player to take those 2 steps and jump. Great timing for the ball.
Malarins abando to, coach.
Yes.
Paraiso. The drop pass. Casanyas picks up the garbage and turns into gold.
Yeah, great save by Raven. Medyo bad decision dun kay Paraiso Jr. for going downhill kahit double na siya. Defense is collapsing on him. Good decision yun na dapat drop pass or kick out na.
34-19 is our countdown to the 15-point lead. Inside back, what a pass. Suwan scores. Again, those assists really hitting the chances of LASTSHOT to buy another great assist for the Canada East, courtesy of Sagay. As we're gonna call a timeout with a 17-point advantage. Take a look at this. Lakas assist of the quarter from the loose ball. And an assist brought to you by SM South Mall, a division of SM Supermalls. We got it all for you. And we have a timeout. Okay, welcome back to the BREN Convention Center in San Fernando City, Pampanga. This particular venue has been renovated since the pandemic, and this particular court, the beautiful court that we have, the blue, it's coming from a FIBA standard flowing in Europe, and some of the fans of the Canadian Montreal team, especially these parents, are very happy and delighted that this team, should they win today, will move on to the finals tomorrow. Back to live action here. The score is 36-19. The lead is 17 points from GILAS Montreal. 3.5 minutes remaining in the first half. Here's Francia. Oh, ball is taken away. And here it comes. Bundalyan unleashing showtime. Wow, Bundalyan has been superb this morning. La Chica. Again, another interception. This is the fast-paced ball game. But that time, that shovel pass was too much.
Yeah, these kids really know what they are doing, Sir Rai. Yung ability nila to recognize kung kailan aagaw, kung kailan maglalaro sa passing lane. They are really doing a good job on forcing turnovers dito sa LASTSHOT Dubai.
And by the way, one of our panelists, Coach Paul Oven, is about to go to the flight. And maraming salamat, Coach Paul Oven, having with us from the opening hanggang kahapon. It's such a joy to cover. Although hindi man tayo nagsama, pero alam ko in spirit you want to partner with me very soon. Ingat sa biyahe, Coach Polopen. Going back to Cebu as we take a look at another timeout. This time the Canada East will take a timeout, and the lead is a big one, 38-21.
J Project Clothing Shop has been a sublimation company for a long time. We have evolved by proving quality and top-notch products for our customers. The design jerseys are carefully examined and printed in a quality machine that produces a fast printing, the biggest machine in the printing industry. In the sewing section, all the sewing experts use quality thread, needles and machine to make the product good-looking and durable. We customize clothing and sportswear in full sublimation. What are you waiting? Visit us now.
Back to live action here. Take a look at the team standings again. Explain mo na natin, Coach Ray, ano magiging implikasyon kung manalo dito ang GILAS Montreal, Coach? Go ahead.
Yeah, as much as I love seeing our team on the second place, no, but if ever man na manalo itong East Canada, they won against us yesterday, so that will mean the tournament format na winner over the other. So they won against us, kahit same kami ng 3-1 score sa standing, they will be the ones who will be going up to the finals against the UBL San Beda Red Cubs.
Yun, kaya nag-aantay na lang ang UBL San Beda Red Cubs, 2 minutes and 57 remaining in the first half. Ito na bola po ng East Canada. Here comes Sagay. He brings it up. Bustamante. Oh, good pass inside. That will be a bucket again. That's Samoang.
Yeah, great high-low play coming from these two guys, si Bustamante. And yan talaga yung gusto natin dyan sa Saong na yan. Sa Mawang na yan na he's very good at recognizing na kung kailan lang siya makakakuha ng pasa, kailan siya sa slip, pa-flash. Very great player.
And as you take a look at it, walang masyadong wasted movement para kay Samoang. Kung saan lang siyang epektibo, doon siya magtatrabaho.
Yes.
40-21, the lead is 19 points.
Same play.
Almost the same result. Samoang missing the putback. Ball is loose. Taken away by LASTSHOT Dubai. Francia on a fast break. He will finish. 40-23. The lead is back to 17 big markers for the Canada East of Montreal. Bundalian. Bustamante, 2 minutes remaining first half. Bustamante goes left, climbs hard to the hole. Kick out to Ansabay, up fake, blow by, one-handed left hand, voila. Even control for LASTSHOT Dubai. A minute and 45 in the first half. Francia looking for cutters. Baseline, Dipsy do, voila. Put back, got it. Para kay Rivera.
Yeah, good effort coming from Rivera, but still great transition defense coming from the side of Canada, not allowing them to get those easy chance points.
In the meantime, Bustamante easily get that basket. Again, another assist. So, mamaya makikita tayo sa first half. Napakaraming assist dito ang East Canada.
Yes, they are really smart on timing those cuts, slip, flash. Ang magkakakilala talaga tong mga to. They really know how the other guy moves.
And doon pala makikita natin ang great chemistry. Lakas assist of the quarter. Here is the pass to Bustamante, brought to you by SM South Mall, a division of SM Supermalls. We got it all for you. And of course, history lang sa aming mga mahilig mag-malls SM. Meron na tayong 93 malls. Ang dami, Coach.
Yeah.
Sigurado ako pagkatapos nito, magmumall kayo ng inyong magkama.
Oh.
Boss Ray Alaw, hello. Hopefully we can partner with you soon at maraming baong-baong kwento ang inyong airpods. 42-26. 1 minute remaining in quarter number 2. And Sabay having difficulty dribbling. He escaped that timing defense. The shot is air ball. Rebound controlled by Suwan. Verse 14 for the black shirts. There's a pick by Samoang. Inside to Samoang. Almost
Great
intercepted.
stop.
Good interception. Pascual against Adriano. The Pascual spin was halted with a tap. At mananatili ang bola sa Dubai.
Yeah, great stop. Everyone was moving. Everyone was dropping down, going to their help side.
Oh, that bank shot. Hindi pumasok para kay Francia. Tumatakbo si Sagay. Fast break opportunity. He will get it. And the lead now is back to 18 markers. 44-28. 18 ticks to go. Francia gusto niya niyang clear out. Almost a half a second differential between the shot clock and the game clock. 10 seconds. Francia Goes left. Drives. Puts up a top angle. No soak that time. 3 seconds remaining. Last shot. 1 second. Kailangan itira to. Wala na. That is it, mga kaibigan, ang ating first half. 26 points para sa last shot to buy. 44 points para sa Canada East. And we take a look at some of the first quarter highlights, starting with this Suwan field goal. Next, we have Paraiso's getaway layup. Then, we have this only field goal so far for Trotter Brooks. Limited minutes for him. And this dip Sidu. What a shot by Casanyas on that breakaway. Those are the highlights of the second quarter, 44-26. After this, we're going to have our halftime interview and report.
J Project Clothing Shop, premium fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, premium fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform.
Mga kasinag, panoorin ang salpukan sa mundo ng basketball. Watch the world play sa SLA Junior World Showcase sa July 17 to 21 sa Pampanga, Philippines. See you!
Good day, mga kasinag. Ako po si Rodney Santos, PBA Legends, Sinag Liga Asya Commissioner. At nandito tayo ngayon sa Queens's Cafe. Ito nyo naman, Naga, Cebu. Interview natin ang batang-batang may-ari. Siyempre si Vince de la Puente. Makita nyo naman, batang-bata, pero businessman, marang-manas tatay. Again, sir,
Hello po.
magandang hapon, magandang umaga, magandang gabi.
Magandang araw po.
Yes, magandang araw. Paano nagsimula ang Winston's Cup?
It started nung pag-pandemic. May trend, 'di ba? Yung Dalgona coffee. Yun talaga yun. Nag-started with my sister po. So I bought my own beans, I bought my own coffee grinder. So
Yeah.
naggawa ko ng own coffee ko. Na nakita ko yung mga intricacies. Like, dapat ganito yung grams ng tubig, dapat ganito yung grams ng mga beans. Ang pagka-structure ng Winston's Cafe is marketed towards everyone. So we welcome everyone to come to Winston's Cafe. So we want students can stay here for as long as they want. Because ako din student din ako, so makarelate din ako. Study 4 hours on end para sa isang test lang. So ganyan. And then we want to welcome families din. That's why yung ginusto namin na furniture is mga comfy na furniture so they can sit back, relax, mag-talk. And then for mga business people din, they can relax din and they can talk and they can do business and they can do their meetings also dito sa mga private rooms namin.
Yes, correct.
So we want the brand to be to give up the message of comfy lang, chill lang tayo dito, and then we welcome everyone. So yun, we want to do franchising, and then we also want to sell coffee beans. So we have a really good supplier for coffee beans. We want to pack them up and then create our own line of Winston's Cafe coffee beans. So Winston's beans, mga ganyan po.
Siyempre, we're very excited to have them aboard. Siyempre, tinanong natin sila what makes them, maging okay sa kanila to partners with the Sinag Liga Asya. And
Very excited.
ano bang views mo doon na our partnership?
So Winston's Cafe has been partnering with a lot of basketball teams, local basketball teams dito sa Naga. So we're really excited because we love basketball din eh. And then everybody loves basketball dito sa Pilipinas. So we're really excited to partner with you guys kasi international national na yung scope na eh. So I wanna see anong mga endeavors niyo. I wanna see mga grassroots players na pinapakita niyo, pinapa-expose niyo. So I'm very excited to see everything you have to offer.
Yun nga, siyempre, they believe in us, they believe in the grassroots program. And Sinag Liga will offer, siyempre tayo sa Sinag, will help them expand through basketball sports program at the same time exposure like our family. So again, maraming salamat. Any word? mga kasinag natin, mga young businessman.
Ano po, keep grinding lang po.
Ayun, keep grinding daw. Thank you.
Oh! Yan na naman siya. Kalma lang tayo. Lamang tayo ng isa. There's a foul away from the play. Sandwich between two.
Sobrang bilis ba? Iyan ang bilis ng FiberX. Iyan ang internet.
J Project Clothing Shop has been a sublimation company for a long time. We have evolved by proving quality and top-notch products for our customers. The design jerseys are carefully examined and printed in a quality machine that produces a fast printing, the biggest machine in the printing industry. In the sewing section, all the sewing experts use quality thread, needles and machine to make the product good-looking and durable. We customize clothing and sportswear in full sublimation. What are you waiting? Visit us now.
Ako nga po pala si Justin Bautista ng Pampanga Delta. Tutok lang po kayo sa SLA Junior World Showcase.
You're still watching SLA Junior World Showcase. But before we go back to the game, I am here with LASTSHOT Dubai's team manager, Ms. Rocky Rigor. Ms. Rocky, first of all, thank you for joining me here at halftime. My question for you is, how does it feel to see your team playing at the semifinals, knowing that they are a step closer to winning?
Yes, well, of course, it's very overwhelming knowing that this is the first time that we have joined an international league. The games are close to the match and we give a competitive game. The team is also having a good potential. So whatever happens with this game, we will just trust the players and the process of the coach. So hopefully, we'll just enjoy the game and then hopefully next year we can still come back stronger.
I'm sure we'll welcome you back here next year, and you must be very proud of the team. Do you have anything to say to people at home?
Yeah, I would like to shout out and greet those families back in Dubai supporting us and the players and the families here also in the Philippines.
Thank you again, Ms. Rocky Rigor. That's all from me. Back to you, Ryan and Coach Ernest.
Thank you so much, Jasmine Saladra, and thank you so much, ma'am, Ms. Rocky Rigor, the team manager and owner of LASTSHOT Dubai. The score is 44-26. Lamang na lamang dito ang GILAS Montreal. Coach Ray, take us through sa halftime highlights.
Yeah, we can see na they are really impressive. Yung pinapakita nitong East Canada with their decision-making, itong mga runs nila sa fast break. Everything's working out for them. But the good thing is, etong LASTSHOT Dubai, yung 3 points nila, it's really working for them. Ang kailangan lang talaga nila trabahuin is yung defense and taking care of the ball because the turnovers are killing them. They have the East Canada have 20 points from turnovers habang sila dalawa lang. Yan, so we can see yung steals ng Gilas Montreal, they have 12 habang itong LASTSHOT Dubai they only have 4. Sa rebounding naman, we can see na itong nag-effort talaga yung East Canada, they have 20 habang itong LASTSHOT Dubai they only have 16.
And of course, a field goal, 52% ng Gilas, so 43% LASTSHOT Dubai, assist 10-5. And of course, ating mga leading scorers sa LASTSHOT Dubai, Casanas 12, Paraiso 7, Francia 3, Pascual 2. For Montreal, we have Mundalian 18, Suwan 8, Sampang 6, and 4, Bustamante. We're just moments away in starting the third quarter. Siyempre, pasalamatan natin ang mga sponsors ng ating Sinag Liga Asya Junior World Showcase sa pamamagitan ng CDO. Food Spear Incorporated, food that brings you ang event partner, SM South Malls, SM Supermalls, we got it all for you. Converge FiberX, doble na dinoble pa. Cable Link Services Incorporated, Fully Tech, Royce Hotel and Casino, ang ating hotel partner, of course, Hotel Sogo, so clean, so good, so safe. And of course, this league will not happen without the unwavering support of our patriot of this league. Walang iba kundi ang ating buting governor ng Pampanga, Governor Dennis Delta Pineda. Third quarter action, 44-26 mga kaibigan. And yes, mga kaibigan, yours truly, Warren Parrot, this will be my last broadcast in the Junior World Showcase. So far, Coach, sobrang nag-enjoy ko and I covered a total of 18 games since Thursday pa.
Grabe yung effort mo, Sir Ray. Paldong-paldo.
You can say it again. Sabi ni Sir Charles, say it again. 44-26, here comes Francia. I'm gonna give all I got here. The drop pass, Pascual inside. The hook, Rivera, wala. Lyson gets the rebound and we have a foul.
The intention was there. Alam mo, nakita niya mas libre si Rivera eh. Kaso again, yung ability netong East Canada on ganging up on defense, not allowing anyone to have the space to make an easy shot. Ang galing, ang ganda ng depensa nila.
A minute gone by, it's nothing third chapter. Here comes Mundalian, who's been a top scorer. However, one player stepping on the shaded lane too long. That's Bustamante. 3-second violation. 6 minutes, 54. Again, yung mga referees natin ay si Bert Sisuga, John Lesigues, and our crew chief, Michael Galotera. Baseline. The pass. That's too tight. And the Canadians has it. Here's Bustamante who will bring it up. Bundalian on the right wing. Bundalian, he will attack against 3 defenders. That time, ball was slapped in his hands. It will stay in the backyard of Montreal. 14-second shot clock now. Baseline inbound. Bundalian looking for an opening. Quickly to Bustamante. Bustamante with 10 to shoot. Let's see what he will do. What he will do, rather. Bustamante goes left. He drives hard. Layup. Yes. Woo!
Yeah, we can see there was no defensive scheme whatsoever na nangyari dito sa LASTSHOT Dubai. They let him drove down the lane, leading to an easy floater then.
46-26 is now a 20-point bubble. The running shot, Mike Casanyas missed. Rebound, still white shirts. The shot will not work. Pascual trying hard to do their best to score, but he came up empty.
Yeah, but still, ang maganda dito, we can see itong improvement ng pag-try hard na itong LASTSHOT Dubai on making those shots talaga. Kasi hindi lang talaga nagpo-fall for them eh.
In the meantime, Rivera's offensive rebound was slapped. And the ball goes out of bounds. It will retain for Canada East. Later on in the semifinals, sa mga mag-broadcast yan in alternate manner, Alvin Tañada, Enzo Galarosa, Pancho Alfonso, and Ernest Ray Ala. Oh! Layup scored for Gonzalez. Sorry, it's Paraiso. Si Paraiso pala umiscore. 46-28. Here comes Bustamante. He will drive. There's a foul given up by Paraiso. 5.5 remaining. And Suwan, Chase Suwan, will check in. But take a look at this. Lakas steal of the quarter. Steal by Paraiso in the basket. Brought to you by Winston's Cafe, the official cafe of SLA. Nakakalimutan kong batiin yung mga Winston's Cafe, mga taga-Sugbo, taga-Cebu. Mayong buntag, kaninyong tanan. Mundalian, up fake, the turnaround, ala Kobe Bryant. Wow! Woo!
Yeah, great move. Recognizing na inabol siya, dinoble team siya doon. Fake, turnaround, easy shot.
48-28, the lead is 20, approaching the 5-minute mark of the third quarter. Here's Rivera on the left wing. Lancia, the cross-court pass. Paraiso launches a three, no. Rebound, tap, and it will stay with LASTSHOT Dubai in the backcourt. Casañas has it. Paraiso on the left side. He drives, triple team. Three-point shot on its way, banks it out. Rebound control for East Canada. Suwan brings it up. That's Chase Suwan. And Suwan says, let's slow down. Baseline. The handoff. What a pass!
Yeah, the defense was sleeping there. Great job on Bustamante recognizing it. And etong cut ni Chase Suwan.
50-28. This is not the biggest lead of GILAS Montreal. 22 points. And nag-steal for Bustamante. Let's see if he can go all the way. Bundalyan, he has the hot hand, but he missed that shot. And here comes Paraiso. Paraiso on a fast break. Paraiso bubble up. He almost lost control. And indeed lost control completely. Here's Bundalyan on a fast break. Bundalyan will soar high to the basket. Wow, wowee. It has been a magnificent offensive onslaught for GILAS Montreal as they soar once again to an instant 24-point lead. Thanks for this lakas drive of the quarter by Bundalyan, brought to you by CDO, food that brings you home. But let's take this home to a timeout.
My name is Sean Andrews. I play for Washington, D.C. Watch us on the SLA Junior World Showcase.
Sobrang bilis ba? Yan ang bilis ng FiberX. Yan ang internet.
Back to live action here. Let's take a look at it, Coach, yung pakiulit natin sa ating mga viewers yung tournament format.
Yeah, so very short lang to na teams will get to play 4 games. Top 2 teams will advance to the finals. If ever man na may ties between 2 teams, winner over the other or among 3 teams, magkakaroon naman tayo ng point differential leading to a finals game na one time lang, knockout game agad.
52-28. Welcome back to the third quarter action. 3 minutes and 45. 14 to shoot. Interception once again. Bustamante, he drives. Puts it up. No. Good deflection. Suwan chases it. And lucky break for the Black Shirts.
Yeah, and this is a normal problem for these kids, no. Kahit sa team namin, nag-i-struggle talaga kami, Sir Rai, on telling them na mas mabilis yung pasa kaysa sa dribble. They tend to dribble too much, tapos pag nag-collapse yung defense sa kanila, hindi na nila mapasa dahil everyone's ganging up on them.
Wow. Outside Altieri. Explosion by Jackson Bustamante. Ups the lead of Montreal to 27 points, 55-28.
Yeah, beside this guy, Liam, ang mas nagpapakita ng maganda being all over the floor on both sides of the floor. Etong si ano talaga, si Bustamante, si Jackson. Yeah.
55-28. Look at this, Bundalyan with a difficult shot. You can say anything more of this tenacity of this up-and-coming player. Look at this. Bundalyan, lateral assault to the basket, pays off. And he missed the three-point play opportunity. Even hindi nangyari shouting. 57-28 mga kaibigan, 2 minutes and 47. At least nag-enjoy dito ang LASTSHOT Dubai. Talagang napaka-overpowering ang Canada team from the East. 7 seconds on the shot clock. Rivera. That's not gonna count. Offensive foul.
Yeah, good move dito kay Rivera, but very smart player. Ito si Chase Suwan. Alam niya, he's going for the bump eh. So, niready niya. He was staying on the shaded area, just waiting for the charge.
And ang good thing doon kay Suwan, hindi siya doon sa ilalim ng no charge zone. Kasi kung sa no charge zone, that shot will count, di ba? 57-28. 2:27 remaining in the third quarter. Here's Suwan with a nice spin move. The drop pass to Trottier Brooks. Trottier trap. And Sagay, 3. No. Rebound control for Rivera. Here's Francia, brings it up. Francia had no numbers. They're going to settle down. Francia is trapped. Double, triple teaming him. Casañas on the right wing. Casañas looking on. The top fadeaway shot short. Rebound control for Suwan. Suwan lobs it to Adriano. Hand time by Bundalyan. Yes! Yes, yes, yes! Woo! Do I need to say anything more? Bundalyan is unconscious. Lakas moment of the quarter bar. Wajibay converts. Doble na. Dinoble pa ang effort ni Bundalyan. 59-28. Gilas Montreal wants to send shockwaves here in the World Showcase. That a world-class performer. And the spin by Rivera is good. 59-30. Baseline drive. Ball batted away. Good defensive stance there. Nakagaw dito ang Dubai Paraiso. Francia. Mad scramble to the leather. Jump ball.
Yeah, again, same problem. Too much dribbling by Paraiso. Not recognizing na may mga mas nauuna na sa kanya. Sinayang nila yung fast break points doon.
That's right. At gaya kanina kami ni Alvin na pareho kaming malat pero I don't care. We really love the game of sports, especially basketball. 59-30, a minute and 21. Tapos na tayo sa ating third chapter. Adriano, Trotter Books, double team. And Sagay, three-point bomb. No explosion, rebound controlled by Casañas. Kinalawit pa. Kinalawit pa. Casañas wants to break loose. Francia on the right wing. Casañas, corner three. Malakas. Trotter Books with an easy rebound. Suwan brings it up for the Canadians. Trotterbook. Bounce pass. Suwan. Trotterbook. Top of the key three. Off to the right. And the ball goes back to Paraiso. Some ankle breakers there. Francia. 35 ticks. Here's Casañas. Triple B won't work. Won't bite. Rebound again by Trotterbrooks. 5-second differential between the shot clock and the game clock. Trotter Brooks, 13 to shoot. And Sagay, 10 on the shot clock. 4 seconds differential. They need to put it up now. At low post, here it comes. And Sagay on a tough angle. No sock. Trotter Brooks at the... Mintis. One more serving. The handoff. The shot will not work. And that might be it. Third quarter is history for the Canada East, who have been superb. After 3 quarters of play, they're leading by 29 points, 59-30. And let's take a look, if we can, for our third quarter highlights. Wala na tayong highlights. Baba na tayo sa fourth quarter. Magbabalik po kami.
We are about to start playing from SLA International. Watch us play SLA Juniors.
J Project Clothing Shop, premium fabric. We customized, quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, premium fabric. We customized, quality printing. Makers of quality uniform.
Sobrang bilis ba? Yan ang bilis ng FiberX. Yan ang internet.
Okay, back to the basketball action. And of course, let's see this last fast break play with Bundalyan's offensive onslaught, 24 points, 5 assists, and 1 rebound coach. Grabe.
Yeah, we can see yung difference niya sa mga scorers ng LASTSHOT Dubai. Despite of them being really good din, pero itong si Liam, yung ability niya to absorb the contact on going left, going right, still making the shot, yun talaga yung impressive sa kanya.
And of course, while we are about to start the fourth quarter at syempre, yung mga colleagues natin sa broadcast industry, syempre ang Sinag Liga Asya din, yung nakaraang, I think bago tayo mag-SLA World Showcase, nagbigay-pugay tayo with some condolences to the late Chino Trinidad. Today is the last day of the wake of the late Chino Trinidad, and he will be cremated very shortly dyan sa may Quezon City. And all of us in the broadcasting industry, old and new, are sending not only just condolences but also pagpupugay sa isa sa mga magagaling na late broadcasters, Manolo Chino Trinidad. Thank you. And Chino is a good friend of our chairman, Rocky Chan. Napakalaking tulong niyan, Coach Ray. There we go. Fourth quarter action, 59-21. Adriano brings it up. Now Trotter Brooks on the box. Box one situation. Ansagay escapes with a tough left-handed shot. He almost went in. Yun ang play niyo, Coach. Yung mga ganyang box one situations, di ba?
Yeah. Ang problema lang talaga, maganda yung maganda yung set nila. Yung mga open guys, hindi lang talaga tinitake advantage yung libreng mga opportunities nila.
Francia, speaking of free opportunities, he is wide open for that jumper. And the lead is 26, 59-33. Time down to 9 minutes and 5. Keep in mind, if Canada wins, they will be an outright finals and they will face the number 1 seed San Beda Alabang UBL. Right-handed layup converted by Trotter Brooks, our profile player. And that match will be tomorrow, same time here at the BREN GUIAO Convention Center. The score now is 61-33. Francia pops out. Left corner 3. No soap that time. Rebound. Rivera, the big guy. The reverse block by Suan. One more serving. Binaba niya. Nilabas kay Paraiso. Tumina ng 3. Wala. And the rebound controlled by Samoan. Trotter Brooks. Baseline. Puts it up. Puts it in. 30-point lead. Wow. Talagang sinasabi. Paulit-ulit namin sinasabi ito ni Coach Ray. Dominance na naman.
Yes.
Ng Canada East. In the meantime, Paraiso, right down the middle, the hook, nothing. Feels better for the rebound. Paraiso won it. Gives it up outside. Casañas 3 ball, not there. Rebound, Rivera. Third crack at it. Almost a backward violation. Casañas steps through it. Right, quarter court 3, air ball. Walang tinaman. And Sagan in a fast break. Munting pabitawan ng bola. He gets it right back. Sampang. Ansagay. Hard play or love play. 10 to shoot. That's a double pick. From the corner baseline. The running shot. It will not drop. Trotter Brooks. Rejected. Magandang depensa doon nila. Pinayong, Coach.
Yeah, great defense. Pero against offensive side, netong LASTSHOT Dubai, they are finding the open guys. Ang problema lang talaga, every time na may opportunity sila na mag-create ng shot nila, hindi nila na-make.
63-33. And of course, we're gonna have a report by Jasmine for Jackson Bustamante. Jazz, go ahead.
He is confident that they will come out on top. Despite this being the semis, Bustamante thinks this is any other game. Playing tight alongside his teammates, he knows that he can finish strong. But the heat is rising, so can he keep his cool for the last quarter of the game? Back to you, Ryan and Coach Ernest.
Thank you so much, Jazz. And indeed, Bundalian leaps to his name that he will keep his cool, but at the same time play an intense game. And look at that spin by Bundalian. He wants to show up again. Great crossover. He drives side to the hole. He almost made it. Put back, no good. He gets it right back. Third effort.
Strong guy. This one, Liam Bundalian, not being able to finish yung napakagandang set of moves niya. Pero again, yung lakas and the ability to get that rebound and make the second chance point.
Samantala, itong drive ni Francia, nataliso, there's going to be a foul on Trotter Brooks probably. No, it's not. It's Bundalian. But only his second personal foul. You know the problem with Bundalian in the past few games na nanalo sila, he always made it a foul, but today, he only has 2 fouls. 14 shot clock. The lob pass. Inside. Rivera with a drop. Bucket and 1. Good play there for La Chica.
Yeah, I think nahanap na nila yung medicine nila for today's game. Focus on Rivera, tapos use him as a decoy. Everyone should cut, everyone should look for the open space para makakreate sila ng shot nila.
Yes, we see that slow-mo replay. (65-35) or 65-36 rather. Here's Bustamante. Oh, nice drop pass. Sampang was rejected from behind by Castaños. Castaños in the backcourt. Francia had that little opening. Running shot for Francia. It's good.
Great move. Going there to the middle para mag-spread yung defense, para depensahan yung dalawang nasa short corner and going for the floater. Great decision.
Remember, in this fourth quarter, we are scoring or using 10 minutes, and Bustamante make most out of it with that free throw shot.
Yeah, so we can see both teams making their shots na, having a great game na. Ang problema, kahit magsabayan sila ng score dito, itong LASTSHOT Dubai, they can't afford to go back-to-back scoring with this team kasi tambak na tambak sila eh.
7 on the shot clock. Rivera with a pass inside. Tight mind. Tapayan Saga. He turned the shot clock. They need to put it up. Francia lets it fly. Offline, but it hit the iron. Bustamante says it's slow down. We have the lead. Big lead. Bundanya says, let me take care of business. Dancing, driving, scoring! Woo-wee! This replay shows the dexterity, the creativeness, and his willingness to win. That is a lakas move of the quarter brought to you by Cable Link and Holdings Corporation by Bundalyan. And he completes a three-point play as well. 70-38. 5:15 remaining. We're now on the halfway point of the final quarter. And guys, mga kasinag, this will be my last broadcast for this 5 days. Bustamante giving them an instant 34-point lead, 72-38. Everything is going right. It's on the rhythm so far for Canada East. Eksaktong 5 minuto ang ating score, 72-38.
Si Murphy Salo, 20 years old, napalit, I love it. Tutukan nyo kami sa SLA Junior World Showcase.
J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized, quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized, quality printing. Makers of quality uniform.
Back to live action, 0107 Management Group Incorporated, one of our broadcast partners dito sa SLA Junior World Showcase. Some of the fans here, young and old, nagpupunta dito sa ating pinakamalaking Kabalen Arena dito sa Pampanga, ang BREN Convention Center. Here are the fans now smiling at our very newly installed LED board left and right. Bata, matanda, mga kamag-anak, dito man sa Pilipinas, sa ibang parte ng mundo, nagko-connive dito sa ating Junior World Showcase Delta Cup ng SLA, Sinag Liga Asya. As we wind down to the final 5 minutes of the ball game, mamaya po, sa ating next game, it will be Alvin Tanyada and Ernest Ray Alaw. Pascual, there is a foul. So coach, napakaraming interesting stats. Mamaya i-explain niya ni Ernest Ray. Samantala, meron tayong free throw na ibibigay para kay Tyrone Pascual. Well, this is a good consolation for the LASTSHOT Dubai. Uuwi ang LASTSHOT Dubai na may ngiti sa labi at kakaibang sinasabing core memory experience. Because these kids, once they realize that they play in an international tournament, there's going to be a big boost of them win or lose.
Yeah, even before the game ends, etong turnover talaga ng LASTSHOT Dubai yung nagpahirap sa kanila. At the moment, they have 23, Sir Rai. Napakataas.
That's right. Oh, good pass, Adriano, the bucket. Again by Samoang. And so far, the Gilas East is pouring it on with a 36-point advantage. No letdowns, no relaxation. They just go, go, go. Bustamante with a drop pass. Samoang misses. He gets it right back, puts it up. Yes, plus a foul. Plus a foul.
Yeah, like what I said, Sir Rai. Etong batang to,
Or Sampang, sorry.
Yeah, Sampang, very hardworking guy.
And
Loves to get that rebound. Good job.
And Lakas Grabe Ko Quarter brought to you by Fulitech Innovative Advertising. And so far, Sampang, tingnan natin sa stats, ilang points na ba siya? 4 points na, no?
Yeah, he has 4 points. Pero if you can see, Sir Rai, he has 6 rebounds,
Grabe.
1 assist, 1 steal. Great
He's
team
done everything.
player. Yeah,
Oo.
team player talaga yung bata.
76-38. He's done the intangibles. So tulong-tulong sila ni Suwang. So this is a very collaborative effort for Team Canada East. Shot clock at 8 seconds. Here's Sedanya. Sedanya with 5 to shoot. Here's the drop pass inside. Nice escape at Casanyas. It's one of the best games he played. Apart from the game yesterday.
Yeah.
40-76.
Yes, Casanyas, very smart player. Kita niya, he was being denied dahil siya nga yung gumagawa for LASTSHOT Dubai. He back cut. Good pass rin dito.
And what a shot there by Bustamante. Another crossover and another dip Sidu. 78-40. 3:21 to go, starting fourth and final quarter. Here's Casanyas. Low post play. Here comes Rivera. Puts it up, puts it in. Ginamit na ng katawan niya doon. 42 points, 3 minutes.
Yes, we can see Rivera not giving up on this game. Really wants to win. He has 9 points, 16 rebounds, and 1 assist.
Yeah. I stand corrected myself. That's Sampang. In the meantime, another 3-point bomb here by Bustamante, giving them the biggest lead, or second biggest lead. 81-42. Again, stand corrected po. Sampang yara, hindi Samoa. Sampang. In the meantime, Rivera with the back-to-back baskets. 81-44.
Yeah, even if this guy, Liam Bundalian, gets the best player of the game, we really should give Bustamante his flowers too, Sir Rai.
Oo.
He has 17 points with 8 over 14 shooting, 57% field goal,
Taas.
6 rebounds, 5 assists, 5 steals, and 2 turnovers only.
Wow,
Grabe.
grabe. Ang ganda ng plus-minus niya. That's a +3. 83-44. We're down to the last 2 minutes. Well, Coach Ray, kung ikaw masasabi mo doon sa team mo na RC Ramos, at least naglaro kayo, you played in the right way. Although hindi kayo nag-finals, pero napakagandang karanasan sa mga bata mo, Coach.
Yes, that's the plan. For them to enjoy, for them to experience having the opportunity to play against these guys, yung mga international players. But we were really happy pa din. If ever man na matapos to ng ganyan, pretty much same thing din, mananalo na yung East Canada. Happy kami sa nakuha naming third place, which is bronze for some other leagues. Pero happy talaga kami. Congratulations to East Canada.
Yes, so far, both teams now emptying their benches and this game is over. We're just counting down the minute and 36 seconds on this broadcast. Later on, mamaya po, Alvin Tanyada and Ernest Ray Alaw. This will be my last game here in the Junior World Showcase. And so far, I have enjoyed covering a total of 18 games. Take note, I have covered 18 games since Thursday at Bacolor, the 2 Bacolors, Bacolor Mini and DHVSU. All 8 games at FEU San Fernando and now 2 here at BREN. At maraming salamat sa tiwala kay Boss Rocky Chan, Coach Leo, President CEO Boss Ray Alaw, and other management there, Commissioner Rodney Santos. I can thank you enough for the trust. At nung in-encourage ako ni Coach Lee kanina, sabi kaya ko yan. And indeed, I did it with God's help. I did it.
Yeah.
84-46.
Yeah, but let's talk about this guy, Sampang. He has 11 points at the moment, 8 rebounds, and 5 of those, Sir Rai, galing offensive.
So he almost have a double-double. And he will be a big factor coming to the finals. Kung gusto nila mag-champion, kailangan yung ganong numbers ni Sampang, Coach Ernest Ray, may gawa niya, no? 49 seconds. Well, for the LASTSHOT Dubai, sa mga parents, sa mga coaches, sa coach, maraming salamat po. Sa pag-uwi niyo po sa Dubai, kagaya sinabi kanina ng team owner, Rocky Rigor, baon-baon niya yung magagandang alaala. At the same time, these guys, by next year, for sure, they will get better.
Yeah, that's what Miss Rocky told me then, sir, no, na culture shock lang talaga yung mga bata. Pero they are really, really looking forward for the next year ng Sinag Liga Asya Junior World Showcase. Kasi ang dami daw sasali. Halos 7, they have 7 Emirates there. Lahat daw yun may team. And that's her plan, si Miss Rocky, na dalhin lahat ng teams dito para makabawi sila.
In the meantime, Malansala lays it in with 30 seconds remaining. And as we conclude this broadcast, well, this is the first time that I will cover an international tournament that we have 3 venues playing at the same time. Ito yung main sa BREN, yung dalawa dito sa DHVSU at sa Bacolod, at gayon din sa FU San Fernando Capon. We're down to the final seconds. Congratulations, GILAS Montreal. They will move on to the finals with a final score of 86-48, and they will face the undefeated UBL San Beda. That will be a good matchup tomorrow.
Yes, that's a great story. They lost their first game against San Beda, but this time makakabawi sila going to the finals. Very interesting storyline for East Canada.
Okay, we're now on our post-game show here. Final score natin 86-48. At syempre, I can thank enough for this wonderful spectacle. Ayokong umiyak pero talagang napakasaya ng ating barkadahan dito sa Sinag Liga Asya Junior World Showcase. Coach, parting words before we went on to our Player of the Game honors. Bago yan, i-discuss natin dito yung game. Pero I just want to say how many games we covered? 9 games together. Just a short parting shot of what has been an experience for you as a coach and as an experience for you as a broadcaster covering this international tournament.
Yeah, I learned a lot, especially from coaching the sidelines, being in the panel with you guys. Sobrang dami ko natutunan, and thank you Sinag Liga Asya for allowing me to cover these games, lalo na yung mga international, kasi ang dami ko talaga natutunan.
That's right, and being international, being world class, of course. Jasmine Salabra, we have here her interview for the Player of the Game. Go.
I'm here with SLA Junior World Showcase Player of the Game number 30, Mr. Liam Bandalian from GILAS Montreal. First of all, Liam, congratulations on another successful game with 31 points, 2 rebounds, and 6 assists. My first question for you is, what is your secret to maintaining such a strong play?
There's no actual secret. We've been practicing for 5 months. Thank you to Coach Glenn and Coach Mark for pushing us and pushing one another, you know.
My next question for you is, how does it feel to know that you are going to be competing in the finals tomorrow?
I feel good because we lost our first game and we're looking to get a revenge from that game.
Very good comeback indeed. And finally, do you have anyone to greet back at home in Canada?
Yeah, my mom, my sister, my brother over there, and all my teammates.
Thank you once again. That is number 30, Mr. Liam Bandalian, Player of the Game from GILAS Montreal. Back to you, Ryan and Coach Ernest.
Thank you so much, Jazz, for that interview. Liam Bandalian, ang ating Player of the Game. And so far, this has been a magnificent tour of duty sa inyong lingkod. So far, covering a total of 16 games. Coach Ray?
Yeah, congratulations to you, Sir Ryan.
And of course, we're gonna wrap things baby up with the second game. Coming up next, ito na ang umaatikabong semi-finals. Pampanga Padera Verda versus LASTSHOT Dubai for the 17 under division. In behalf of our main director, Norman Santiago, in behalf of our floor director, Billy Ray De Leon, and also on the truck, Mike Nanad, and also ating mga courtside reporters dyan, si Jazz, and behalf of course sa ating Coach Ernest Ray Ala. Mamaya marinig nyo si Admin Tanyada. At yung mga main anchors mamaya, si Coach CP, Carlos Pancho, at po si Enzo De La Rosa. This is Ryan Powell saying, sports is life. Always use this for the glory of God. This has been the presentation of your Sinag Liga Asya Junior World Showcase Dental Cup, a production of Sinag Liga Asya Sports. From Pampanga, Philippines, good afternoon to all of you.